Okay, so we've set up the control panel and we've now started to create the first document. What I want to do is show you the features within there that you can actually put into a flyer, a brochure, whatever you're putting together. Well, first thing we're going to do is click on the edit button here. And what you'll see, that will take us into a page where very simply it shows the little thumbnails at the top which represent the pages of the document you're putting together. This looks like a piece of paper. It's actually a flash video. What's very clever about the software is it allows you to drag and drop all the features, but actually turns it into this turn page, really nice sort of looking brochure. The options at the top also include a grid if you want to be creating from scratch and lining things up. Now that grid won't show in preview mode, but it will show to help you put everything in place. What you've got down the right hand side, a variety of tabs. Now the first tab is to add text, and this is a plain text editor. So if you've got something in Word or elsewhere, you can copy and paste it in. It won't keep the same formatting. What you'll see is you can format it once it's in. So if we just click into this text box, and I've already gone and copied and pasted a piece of text off another website, just to save me having to type it in. If you then drag that on the page, and you then close this, what you can see is that we've got this text here, and we can resize it, we can move it around, we can, at the top now with a black bar, change things like the font. We can change the size, we can alter maybe the layout we want to send to the text, possibly make it a different colour, maybe a deep blue. There's also the option to have a background colour if you wish, and if that suits your brand or whatever you're trying to put together. And you can remove it just by selecting the black and white checkered box. You can shadow it if need be, and you can also change the transparency if you require. One of the biggest features people will use within this is they'll use the link feature, where you can actually make this link to somewhere. So that text could link to a website, it could link to an email address, it could be a call to action. You've also got the option of rollover text, what we call mouse over text, so that when the mouse moves over that, it actually says something or goes to a specific place. Let's just say we send this to Google, so we put Google in as the address. We'll just click save, and I'm not going to put any mouse over text on that just for now. We also encourage people to regularly click save on here, and that will mean that you're saving the document as you go. What you'll find is that probably one of the main things you'll do initially is convert your current existing graphics PDFs into a virtual brochure or virtual document, and that means your design team in-house or externally can give you those graphics and you can put them in and in seconds have those documents ready to go. So although I'm showing you the features from scratch, now what I'm going to show you is the Add Image tab, the second tab down. You'll see currently there are no images involved, so when we click on Upload New Image, it gives us three options. Now the first option is to individually upload images, JPEGs, GIFs, PNG files, if you've got photos of the office, products, whatever it be. You've then got the option to use a batch uploader, which when you click on it allows you to drag and drop, if you wish, into a little Java applet to upload in bulk. Probably one of the most common things now for business will be using the PDF uploader. Now this is quite a unique feature for us because PDFs really make it very straightforward for you to start to create documents with current graphics. But what happens is the system will actually convert everything for you on the fly. So if I convert this PDF and I select it, you'll see very quickly it's starting now to scan up to 100%. Now what will then happen is the system will tell you it can take a couple of minutes really for that to convert into images. And to give you an example, this PDF has got about 16 pages to it. Well, the system will convert that to 16 images for you, so you don't have to do that. They will then be available for you to drag and drop on the pages. In addition, behind the scenes, and you'll never see it, it would also convert those 16 pages to 3 other zoom levels, so that as people zoom in on your documents, they're crystal clear, and therefore keeps the brand and keeps the clarity of what you're trying to show. So it's told you it'll send you an email within a couple of minutes when that's ready. What I'm going to do in the meantime while it's working behind the scenes on that is show you a few other features that are available within the software. So if we just click on Edit Document, this will take us back now to those thumbnails of those pages. The text that we created is still there, and I'm going to show you that some of the features further down, such as here, Add a Background, they are the ability to drag and drop colours or images onto the pages. So it might be that your brand is a light blue on this page, and it might be that on the other pages you want to incorporate images. So if you click on images, we've put some standard colours in place for you, some standard designs and layouts. And you can drag and drop these on the page. So it could be that you're trying to show what's happening, you've got a restaurant, or maybe you've got a Christmas offer and you've got a Valentine's offer. And these are just to help you get started. What you can then incorporate are various other features. One of our favourite features is audio and video. Now if I start off with the video aspect, the third tab down says add a video. Now the first thing I'm going to do is open up another window and show you that we're going to go to YouTube. Even if you've got in-house videos created, our suggestion is that they're uploaded onto YouTube into your own account, which is free and very quick to do, and you can then copy those and basically copy what we call the embed code straight into a virtual brochure, and that means it loads very quickly, and also you don't have to pay for any bandwidth or streaming costs by putting it on your own company website, so that's a real perk. Also means you don't have to change your company website every time you change the video or add a new product or message from the company. And now that we're on YouTube, let's just say, because we're talking about a hotel brochure here, let's just type in hotel, maybe hotel video. And that will bring up a whole range of video clips. And we're just going to select one of them here, such as this hotel here. What we're going to do when the video comes up on screen is we're going to pause it. We don't need to be watching the video here. All we need to do is actually just copy the embed code. And I'm going to show you that really takes a matter of seconds.